Did you know the same hibiscus flower you see in your garden can become a health drink, a skincare ingredient, and even a source of farm income? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Discover Agriculture, where we uncover nature's most colorful farming secrets. Today, we are exploring the vibrant world of hibiscus farming, a crop that adds not only beauty to your field but also profit to your pocket. So, if you're dreaming of turning color into income, stay with us till the end. Every petal of the hibiscus tells a story of color, culture, and creativity. With over 200 species worldwide, this flower isn't just admired, it's used. Hibiscus sabdarifa or Roselle gives us that famous crimson tea loved for its health benefits. Hibiscus rosa sinensis, the classic red beauty, steals the show in gardens and cosmetics. Hibiscus loves sunshine. It grows best between 18 to 35 degrees Celsius in warm tropical climates. For soil, think loamy, well drained, and slightly acidic. If your soil feels too heavy, mix in compost or sand. Remember, good drainage means happy roots and brighter blooms. You can grow hibiscus from cuttings or seeds, but cuttings gives faster results. Take 6 to 8 inch healthy cuttings, dip them in rooting hormone and plant them in rich soil. Keep 3 to 4 feet spacing between plants. Hibiscus loves space to stretch and shine. Hibiscus is a thirsty friend. Water regularly, but don't let roots stay soggy. During the growing season, use a balanced NPK fertilizer or organic compost. When flowers start forming, switch to a phosphorus rich feed. It will reward you with a garden full of blooms. Watch out for tiny troublemakers like aphids and whiteflies. Neem oil or mild insecticidal soap keeps them under control naturally. For fungal issues like leaf spot, ensure good airflow and remove infected leaves. Prevention is always better than cure. Here comes the best part, harvesting. If you're growing Rosalie, pick the calyces. Once they mature, that's a part used for tea. For ornamental types, pluck flowers early in the morning when they are most fresh and colorful. Regular picking means more blooms and more profit. Hibiscus has fans everywhere, from herbal tea lovers to skincare brands. In wellness, hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants. In cosmetics, extracts are used for anti-aging products. In food, its tangy petals add flavor to syrups and desserts. That means one plant, multiple income streams. So, friends, that's the colorful story of hibiscus farming where beauty meets business. Would you like to try growing hibiscus on your farm? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more real farming stories and ideas that grow success.